What's up guys, today I'll be doing a radar and dashcam installation using a Radar Technologies adapter. The one seen here is a 10-pin Type D for select Dodge vehicles. I'll plug this in the description below. A quick unboxing of the Radenso DS1. Just want to show you guys what the device looks like. I gotta say, just from the packaging and holding it like this, it already feels premium. And it shouldn't really be a surprise because the DS1 is a high performance detector, providing the longest range, auto lockouts, GPS, Bluetooth, and a lot more bells and whistles. Now that we got that out the way, let's just get into the installation. For Dodge vehicles with rearview mirrors like this, the plastic shroud consists of two separate pieces. The first thing we'll do is pop this piece off here, then we'll pop the second panel off by simply pulling it straight down. Here we see the 10-pin connector on the back of the rearview mirror. Let's unclip this and attach it to our dongle adapter, and snap the 10-pin side of the adapter into the rearview mirror housing. Power the vehicle on and make sure you see the blue light in the USB receptacle. This ensures the adapter is receiving power. Now that we know we're getting power, let's plug in the USB cable. I have a special cable here. It splits off into two ends, a micro USB and a USB-C. We'll plug the micro USB into the Garmin dashcam and the USB-C into the Radenso DS1. Let's power the vehicle on again and make sure that both devices are receiving power. Now that we know our devices are receiving power, let's do some cable management. I'm going to tuck the cables into the shroud here and pop it back into place. I've routed the cables through a small opening at the bottom of the shroud. This works perfectly for my application here, and honestly it's the cleanest way to get this installed. So just like that, we're actually done. So if you're interested in something like a radar or a dashcam setup for your vehicle, check out Radar Technologies today. And with that, take care and drive safe, y'all. Peace.